Imagine cutting 8 hours of administrative work down to just 5 minutes, every single day. That's the power of the AI tools we are exploring today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI agents can replace your virtual assistant, saving you thousands and freeing up your time.
The demand for smart AI solutions is exploding, and tools that can act as your personal assistant are at the forefront. No longer just hype, these are practical applications. We're seeing a clear trend. AI agents are shifting from complex developer tools to accessible solutions for solopreneurs and small businesses.
First up, let's talk about Docker Sandboxes. Before, testing AI agents meant complex setups, risking system instability, or dealing with resource conflicts. Now, with Docker Sandboxes, you get disposable, isolated environments for your AI agents.
This means secure, contained testing without affecting your main system. It's perfect for developers and teams who need to build and test their AI agents reliably and securely. Pricing starts around $5 a month, making it an accessible solution for serious development.
Next, we have Muse Glimmer. Historically, powerful coding models were locked behind expensive ARPAs or required immense computing power. Muse Glimmer changes that, offering an open-weights 30B local coding model.
Its standout features include local code generation, meaning your data stays private, and the flexibility of an open-weights model you can customize. This is ideal for developers who need powerful, on-device code assistance. The best part? It's free, opening up advanced AI coding to everyone.
Moving on to something completely different but equally insightful, Whodunnit AI. Think of the old way. Static, pre-written narratives. Now, with Whodunnit AI, you get a voice-driven murder mystery where you interview AI suspects using your own voice.
This showcases incredible interactive AI storytelling and dynamic suspect interviews. While it's a game, it highlights the potential for AI agents in customer service, interactive training, and dynamic content creation. It operates on a freemium model, letting you experience interactive AI firsthand.
Our fourth tool, Tailcall Interpreters, might sound technical, but it's crucial for understanding efficient AI agent performance. Before, complex code execution could be slow and resource-intensive. This concept, specifically using Rust, focuses on efficient interpreter design.
For software engineers and researchers, this deep dive into compiler optimization is invaluable. It's about making your AI agents run faster and more reliably. While not a direct tool you install, understanding these principles is free and essential for anyone building high-performance AI.
Now, for our best pick. If you're looking to securely and reliably deploy AI agents, Docker Sandboxes is the one to beat. Its isolated environments and focus on security make it indispensable for serious AI development and testing.
For those seeking powerful local coding assistance without cost, Muse Glimmer is your best free option. And if you're exploring the cutting edge of interactive AI, Whodunnit AI offers a fantastic entry point for beginners.
These tools prove that replacing manual virtual assistant tasks with AI is not only possible but becoming incredibly accessible. You can automate research, streamline coding, and even create interactive experiences, all with the right AI agent. Stop doing it manually. Start leveraging AI.
Let's dive a bit deeper into Docker Sandboxes. To get started, first, you'll need to install Docker Desktop on your machine. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. You can then pull a base AI agent image, for example, Docker pull myagent/base. To run your AI agent in an isolated sandbox, you'd use a command like docker run it, rm, name my_a_sandbox myagent/base bash. This creates a temporary, isolated environment where your AI agent can run and be tested without affecting your host system. When you're done, the RM flag ensures the sandbox is automatically cleaned up, leaving no traces behind.
For Muse Glimmer, the process is straightforward for local deployment. First, ensure you have a compatible system, ideally with a decent GPU for optimal performance. You'll then download the Muse Glimmer model weights from their official repository. Once downloaded, You'll typically use a local inference engine, often provided alongside the model or a popular open source one like llama.cpp, to load the model. From there, you can interact with it via a command line interface or integrate it into your local applications for private, on-device code generation and assistance. It's about having a powerful coding assistant right on your machine.
Getting started with Whodunnit AI is as simple as visiting their website or downloading their app. Once you launch it, you'll be greeted with an introductory scenario. The key interaction is voice-driven. When prompted, you simply speak your questions to the AI suspects. The system uses speech-to-text to understand your queries, and then generates dynamic, voice-synthesized responses from the AI characters. There's no complex setup. Just speak naturally as if you're interviewing a real person. It's an intuitive way to experience advanced conversational AI.
Understanding tail call interpreters, particularly in Rust, involves a more conceptual approach rather than a direct installation. You'd typically start by studying compiler design principles and Rust functional programming features. Look for open-source projects or tutorials on building simple interpreters in Rust. The core idea is to implement a recursive function that, instead of building up a large call stack, transforms its last call into a jump, effectively reusing the current stack frame. This is often achieved by structuring your interpreter to recognize and optimize tail calls, making your code more memory efficient and preventing stack overflows in deeply recursive AI agent logic.
This video is just one chapter in our Solopreneurs AI Agent Handbook series. We're constantly uncovering new ways to automate and scale your business with AI. If you want to build more powerful AI agents and stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter.